Hello artists! Today I want to do a lettering demonstration with you. And to get started, all I have is just regular paper, just regular copy paper or any kind of drawing paper, or if you have a sketchbook, awesome. I have a regular pencil, nothing fancy, but if you want to use any art pencils I have, go for it. And I always just make sure to sharpen my pencil, get ready to go. And I have separate erasers, but whatever works best for you. You just need a pencil today. So to start, you will want to write your name. And to do that, you just write it. In fact, if you're the kind of person who has messy handwriting, this will actually work really well for you. I'm going to choose my last name. So you could do your first name, last name. It could be all capitals, lowercase, whatever you want, your choice. So here we go. I'm going to just very lightly write my name. And other teachers might have told you, oh man, that's kind of messy. But in art, that's actually a really good thing. So you just write your name, and it might be so light that you can barely see it, but that's actually a good thing. I heard an art teacher say the other day, write it, draw it light until you get it right. Artists do layers and layers and layers and layers, and we go back a lot. So here we go. I have my light layer with my name. And I am inspired by street art, so I want to make these kind of like a block letter style. So I'm just going to go around each letter with a straight line. So I'm going to start with my A and do a nice straight line next to it. So you kind of see I'm like going next to it. On the bottom, using straight lines. Maybe I'll do the same thing on the top. Maybe we'll make like a little straight line in here. So I'm just kind of making some lines around my A. I'm doing that, and then oops, oh my gosh, I just slipped. Oh no, oh my gosh, I didn't mean to do that. Guess what? Artists make mistakes every day. Congratulations, that's part of the learning process. I love when you make mistakes. In fact, I'm going to challenge you today. Don't erase till the end. Go with it, see what happens. So let's see, maybe, whoa, I'll make the whole entire thing kind of long. All right, cool. I like it. All right, so let's get back to the L. I'm going to start outlining my L. And I'm going around it. I'm making my block letters. And oh my gosh, I can't fit my L. Oh no, I don't have enough room. It's next to my A. It's really stressing me out. Who cares? Many of you had an experience in elementary school where it was awesome, but you only had art maybe once a week, so you were kind of rushed. You didn't have time to try things and practice and play, but now we have art every day. So I want you to embrace your mistakes. True artists, we practice over and over and over again. We plan, we play, we explore, we experiment, and we don't erase right away. We see what happens when things get wacky, when things get out of control, when we don't know what we're doing. Woo! Why not? What's the worst that can happen? This is a practice drawing. So my challenge for you today is to try it with mistakes and all, your entire name as fast as you can, all the way to the end, and then if you want, then once you have your entire name there, then you can go ahead and erase. No, this is not clay. No, this is not gum. This is something called a kneaded eraser, which is so awesome. And I love it because you can kind of sculpt it and get into all these awesome spots. And then when I'm all done, I knead it to clean it. So, oh, that kind of looks like the L's in front of the T. That's awesome. And then you can play around. And then the great thing about this is on another area of your same paper, I'm just going to move it so you can see it a little better. Do your name again. Why not? Let's play. So maybe this time I'll try using some rounded lines. So same way. Maybe I'll start the same and I'll outline, but I'll do rounded lines. And by doing it multiple times without erasing and embracing your mistakes, you get to see many different versions. And then you could say, you know what? I like this A. I like this L. I like this T, I like this I. I can even go like this and make little notes on here because this is just my scrap copy and that's totally fine. And then you can even just play around with it. So if I know I really like this T, I can redraw it. I can never draw things the same twice, but that's okay. Maybe I'll play around with the idea of like making this a little longer and adding an arrow. Notice I didn't even erase. I'm just kind of drawing on top. And then once you get a whole bunch of ideas, then if you want, you can kind of put them all together on the back or on another piece of paper. So today, what I'd like you to do is grab some paper, grab a pencil, practice writing your name any way you want. Embrace your mistakes. Really try to resist the urge to use your eraser and just play. This is not a final copy. In fact, it's supposed to look like a crazy art mess. And if you're doing that, you are in good shape. I'm just gonna play a little bit and do some fun designs. Can't wait to make some art with you. All right, grab your stuff. Can't wait to see what you create. Bye, artists.